Hi guys, this is demo for paper prototyping of our project. Our project is Nust HMS, Nust Hospital Management System. So first we have our login screen. We have three type of user: a receptionist, a DG Director General of the hospital, and then the doctors. So first, when a receptionist enter his username and password, receptionist enter his username and password. So after entering his password, he log in. After logging in, he will go directly to the add patient form. This form is used for if a patient is not been registered and a patient is new to our system. So reception is sitting there, will enter the data of patient by filling this form, first entering last name, first name, then last name, then gender, then designation, then the school, the institute, then his registration number, then his CNIC number, this is optional one, and then his address. So after entering his address, he save this, save. So this result is saved. So this patient has been added, registered. So if patient is already registered and he come to the reception to see to visit to see, so so the receptionist will search his. So the receptionist will search if the user is already existing or not. So in search form, this is basically search form. So receptionist can search based on three criteria. He can search on first name, he can search on last name, and he can search on CNIC. So after entering one of them, he can search. So after searching, the result will be shown to the receptionist, either the patient has been registered or not. So if it is registered, then the data will the form will come to the screen of receptionist. So receptionist can also view the history of patients. So the receptionist can also view the history of patients. So on clicking the history tab, he can see the history. So this is the history form. So here he can see the history. He or she can see the history, that where when the patient visited and which doctor checked him and where he is referred. So after so this is from the receptionist side. After doing this all work, he sign out. So a doctor, now it's come to the turn of doctor. Suppose Dr. Aruj enter his username and password and then log in. After logging in, doctor will directly come to the appointment form. So this is the appointments the doctor have been made. So the receptionist enter the patient data and then this so we can see here that one patient is waiting, that his request is pending, his status is pending, and here we can also, the doctor can also see the total number of pending requests and the total number of requests, the total number of patients checked. So this is the form where the doctor can analyze that how many patients are remaining and how many patients have been checked. So after checking the appointment form, the doctor will go to the patient form. So a patient, so the doctor in the form doctor view is where he can see the patient name, his gender and his age, the already entered in our database at the reception. So his temperature, his blood pressure, and he checked the symptom, what symptom the user had, the patient had, is it flu, TB, whatever. So he he recommend his prescription. So for example, this is Disprin, then his quantity, what quantity, it's 2 tablets, and then the dosage, it's mean the dosage mean 101 mean on morning and in the evening. So after prescription, so after prescription, precautions and also the referring system is there. So this means that after checking the patient, the status of the appointment has been changed, and this has changed to the checked. It means it has changed from pending to the checked. So a doctor sign out. This is all from the doctor side. So here come, if the Director General of the Nust Hospital want to view the overall statistics of his hospital, how many patients, so he come to the login form and he log in. Remember, all the users have their own username and passwords. Based on their username and password, they have identified as receptionist and doctors and DGs. So DG, Director General of the hospital, enter into the form. He can view the statistics. The by default form is statistics form. He can view the date, on this date, how many patients and how many. So this is, you can view that this form. So also the Director General can view the staff, how many staff members are there and what is their timing, what are their contacts. You can see this form. So after you other than else, DG can also check the referred patients. He can also check the where the patients have been referred. This is all from the DG side. This is all our project.